So this is the tutorial video of the application. This is a tutorial for the owners. First, you need to install the HaweliPe application from the Play Store. For that, you need to search, then click on the Store application. And after this is installed, you will able to add your property on the map, and anyone in the nearby can able to join that property. So just let's wait for installing. So it's now installed. Let's open it up. So the application is now open. Allow the location permission so that you can find out your location. After enabling location, you will be able to see your location on the map and the nearby properties that is available on the HaweliPe. You need to first log in to access and add property in the application. So click on login. It will use your Google account to log in into the application. So I'm securely logged in, and all the data is saved in our secure server. So there will be no spam or anything like that. So after adding, you need to go to the home again. Select your location by clicking on the add button. There your property is there. Click on the add. Now first you need to enter the property name. So I'm going to use my company name here. Then add image. The first image needs to be perfect because it will appear everywhere. So the first image should be good. So I'm creating one. You can add up to 5 images in this application. Then the next one is the price range. So the price range will be the rent of the property from to which. So in my property it's 5,000 to 10,000. After that, enter the email address and phone number. So it's going to every user will able to connect on that email ID. Now it is for everyone, so I'm selecting all. And after that, here you need to enter your details like AC available, refrigerator, or anything like that. You can put it here about the details of the property. After putting every details here, you can click next, and here you can select the number of floors that is there in your property. If you have only one floor on any building, then you can simply enter one, or else in my property there is 4 floors, so you need to enter 4. After entering 4, you need to enter the flats on each floor. So in the first floor there is 2 flats or 2 rooms. In the third, in second 8, third 8, like that. So how many rooms in there or flats in there in the each floor? You need to enter that and click on the next. Here you need to enter the flat number. You can have custom number, or you can use autofill feature of this. So it will fill the room number from 1 to onwards. Okay, now click on the next button. After clicking next, here you need to enter the electric bill. If you are collecting electric bill, you can enter the amount for per unit. I am using 10 because it's 10 rupees per unit. Click on next, done, and okay. That's all. Your property is now under the review, and the admin will approve the property. So your property is now under review. You can see the property in the home screen. You need to drag it down to refresh it, and it is showing red because it's under review. You can contact us with HaweliPe@HaweliPe.com for any query or like that. So currently we are under review, so we need to wait for the approval. So I get the notification from the HaweliPe that my property is now approved. So I can do some more stuffs in this. So open the application. So here you can see it is showing now in the green color. Open it, and you will be able to see all the rooms details here. So every room is now available for rent, and no one is there in the property. So you can click it and also join it by yourself. Now let us go and see what is going on the map. Okay, so click on the find button. Now you will able to see the map, and your property will appear on the map. So anyone with this application will able to see your property on the map. User will able to connect you by the number you have provided during the registration and adding this property. So any user can able to see all the details and also the room availability like that. Apart from this, we are also provide many functionality to manage your property. So let's open your application. Here you need to click on the title of your property that is on the top of the screen. After clicking, you will see many options. Here is one option of create QR code. This button will create a QR code for you, and you can print it and paste it anywhere inside your property or anywhere you like, or you can share it to the user. It will share your property link as well as this QR code by which you can user can join your property by scanning it. After anyone requests to approval, you will get a notification. Like that, here I get a notification of approval request from some user. So click on the tab and it will open up the application. Open your property, and in the property you will be able to see the approval request. Here on the flat number 7 there is a pending approval. So to approve this one, you need to click on that button. Here you can reject it or approve it depending upon the user details. Here you can see the user name and email ID. So to approve this one, you need to click on the approve button here. After clicking approve, you need to enter the initial electric meter reading, rent, and security amount. Here you can also enter 0 as the initial reading, but here I am entering some amount, some unit in the initial meter reading. This is meter reading, not the cost. Okay. Now enter the rent amount. The rent amount is 5,000 and security or advance is 10,000. Okay. Here you can set a due date on which user need to pay this amount, and the bill will be generated on the one of every month. Okay. So I have entered the 5 2 as a due date. So the room is now approved. Okay. Now the room is approved. So user, you can see the room details here. So the old meter reading is 0. The new meter is reading this one. That's why it's showing this cost. You can ignore this one on the initial month and it will be updated from the next month. Okay. And here you can see the rent amount. You can also update it from here, because if someone send you the cash, you can update it from here. You can also remove that user by clicking this remove button, and it will be removed from this app flat. All the transaction will appear here. So moving forward, the next most important function in this application is creating a new bill. So bill can be also created using the same options. Go to your property, click on the title of your property, and then select create new bill. You can create new bill on every new month, or that depends upon you. So after you're going to create new bill, you can see there is only one property, so I am showing only one. Here you can see your new reading, and I'm changing it to say 2020. So if user has consumed 5 units and the bill will be auto updated, the new bill will be of 50 rupees. Similarly, you can also change the rent, advance, and just click on done. That will be create a new bill. In case of multiple, you will see the option to click on the next button. So I have created and updated the new bill. So new bill is created. After clicking this button, the user will get the notification that new bill has been created, and he can pay the bill, and all those transactions will appear on your profile transaction menu. You can also see the new bills details after going to the property. You can also update whenever you get cash amount or anyway pay in any other method. Now suppose this month is over and you are going to create a new bill for the next month. If you create a bill for next month, then here you need to just put your new meter reading and it will update your electric bill. Suppose this user have used I think 10 units, so I will put to 30, and it will automatically update the new amount. It will also bring the carry from the previous month. So 50 rupees was due from the previous month. Same for the rent. It 5,000 was due from the previous month. So total amount is now 10,000. All you need to do is done, and it will be show the updated amount, that previous due amount plus this month new amount. We are updating and adding more features in the HaweliPe application regularly. If you like it, please write a feedback, or if you have any suggestion, please write it in the feedback box and send to us. We love to hear it from you. What do you have to suggest to us? Thank you. Have a nice day.